guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this dramatic black and white slow motion. I'm just going to start the slow motion from here. So I am going to actually go to adjustments first and then go and add a keyframe here where you want the slow motion to happen, and turn down the saturation but not a lot. And I'm going to select maybe in the middle and put the saturation back to 0 so it fades into this black and white. And when you start hitting that transition to the black and white one, go to speed and then select curves and then select customized. So you're here right now and you're just going to customize, and you're going to add in this right here, and you're going to add in a slow-mo to that. And I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to also select smooth slow motion and select optical flow. So where we put in the black and white filter, it's going to start to have this slow motion effect, as you can see. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!